thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Anna from Frozen. I'm really excited. Now let's grab our supplies and see what we can come up with. We're going to start by making Anna's jawline. Then on the left side we're going to add a curve for her ear. After that we're going to make Anna's hairline around her face. Then we're going to make the top outline of her hair. Once we finish that, we're going to add some detailed lines in her hair. Next, we're going to start making her face. We're going to start at the top of her face and make each eyebrow, one on the left and one on the right. Then we will color them in. Next, we're going to make her nose. After that, we're going to start with her right eye. Once you're done with that eye, we're going to move on to the left eye. Once you're done making the eyes, we're going to outline the top outer corners of the eye. Once you have finished the eyes, we're going to make the mouth with two curved lines. Then we are going to start making the left side of Anna's braid. This will be a series of curved lines that appear to be overlapping with each other. At the end, we will make a small rectangle and then two lines coming out from that for the end of her hair. Now we're going to add a couple lines for some detail in her hair where she has highlights. We will later color these parts in lighter than the rest of her hair. Next, we're going to start by making the left side of Anna's clothes. Now we're going to make the right color of her shirt, and then we are going to start making the right side of her hair. Her hair will again be a series of curved lines that will appear to form a braid. Once we get to the end, we're going to make a small rectangle with two lines coming out for the end of her hair. Now we are going to finish the right side of her clothes. This is how to draw Anna from Frozen. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color her in with us.